Hi, my name's Kiala, and today I'm going to show you a voluminous fishtail braid that's really easy to do. So the first thing you're going to do to create this look is you're going to separate the top from the bottom. So once you have the top separated from the bottom, what you're going to do is pull all your hair over to your favorite side and take an elastic band to secure it right at the base, pretty low, down by the neck. What I'm going to do is take this braid aid and I'm just going to put a couple pumps right in the palm of my hand. Just work it through your hands like a lotion and then run it all the way through the ponytail. This is going to help to give the braid a little more grip and hold for you. Secondly, you want to divide the hair into two sections, two even sections, as even as possible. And then you're going to take your fingers and start working from the outside, taking small sections and feeding those sections into the center. So alternate from the left side to the right side. To create a more detailed fishtail braid, the smaller your sections are that you take from the outside and feed into the center, the more detailed the braid will be. Now, once you get to the bottom, you're going to take another elastic band and just wrap it around the bottom of your braid to secure it. You can use your fingers and just kind of pull it out a little bit if you want to make it bigger or give it more volume. To make this fishtail a little more dressed up and make it voluminous, what we're going to do is just create some volume by using our hands and this product here, Quick Tease, in the top section. What I'm going to do is just release the top and use my fingers to separate the section. Spray the Quick Tease right into the root area, all the way through the top section. Once you have the product worked into the root area, start in the back and just take your hands and start raking that hair back, just to give it a little bit more texture and more volume. So once you get it all backcombed with your hands, what you're going to do is just give your hair one final spray with the Quick Tease. Just take your hands and start to sculpt the hair into shape and work it right towards the base of that braid. Next, I'm going to use a bobby pin. Now, to get maximum hold with your bobby pin, just take the bobby pin and stick it right where you're holding your hair. That'll help to secure it better. If you have any hair, additional hair left over, you can just wrap it right around the base and then secure it with a bobby pin. So once you have your braid in place and you create a lot of volume in the top section, we're just going to give our hair a final spray. And then if you want to add more added texture to your braid, you can just simply massage it with your fingers. You know what I love about this fishtail braid with volume is it's something I can wear out to a party, or I can also wear it dressed down, and it's really easy. It just took me a few minutes to create. It's one of my favorite looks.